Hello everyone, this is Trupti Satsangi. Today I want to tell you about my project online attendance system. This is the system which is used to record attendance by recognizing the student's face in online classes by taking the screenshot. So this is the code, but before jumping to the code, let's first see about the dataset which I have made of my class. As you can see here, there are nearly 45 people or 45 students whose data I have taken. As you can see here, the I have taken few pictures of every student of my class to for training and few pictures for validation. So these are the folders of every student of my class, that is of nearly 45 people student. So for this data which is present in my drive, so to take this data or to use this data, I have mounted my drive. Then I have used three models in this project. First is MTCNN, second is FaceNet, and third is support vector machine classifier. So MTCNN first they extract the face from the picture, then FaceNet model gets its embeddings which will be fed into the support vector machine classifier, and then support vector machine classifier is used to classify the input, or I should say used to classify the image from the database. So let's see, I have deeply talked about this models in my previous video. Please check that for further information. So I am here installing the MTCNN library, and all I am importing all other necessary libraries here. Then here I have made the function extract face, which extract the face of the person or student from the image. Here till here I have done the pre-processing, and then I am highlighting that face by putting the box across the boundary of the face. Then here I have tested in on one image, like as you can see here. Then I have made the load faces function, which will uh, use to enumerate the files, so that a whole directories file can be whole directory file can be used in extract phase, so that phases can be extracted from whole directory. Then here I am making function of load dataset, in which I will going to call load phases function, so that the all the dataset uh, all the dataset will be applied and the phases will be extracted from all the dataset, from training as well as validation. The faces from all the pictures will be extracted and will be stored in the dataset for OS MTech 18 file, which is in compressed form. Then here I am making get embeddings function, which is used to get the embeddings from the extracted face. For this I have used FaceNet model. Embeddings is used to convert the high level dimensionality into low level dimensionality with the help of vectors, so that calculation gets easier. Now here this get embedding function will be applied on whole the data set, and it will saved in the file, in the compressed file. Name this. Then here I have done some pre-processing for the support vector machine classifier. Here I am using this support vector machine classifier. It generally uses hyperplane to classify the inputs into different categories. Here I am taking linear kernel for this, and I am fitting the data in this model. After this I am calculating the accuracy for this by testing it by using accuracy score, and you can see on training it is giving 99% accuracy, and on test data it is giving 88% accuracy. Now this is the short snippet, or in one snippet I have tried to cover all this thing which we have just go through with which things. And here I will, it will take random pictures and will do prediction on that particular picture. As you can see here, predicted and expected, both values are same, so it has correctly predicted the picture, or the correctly predicted uh, the face. Now here I have taken the screenshot from the Google Meet. Here as you can see here, the highlight box represent the faces which has been extracted by the MTCNN model. Then here I am applying all the functions which we have made earlier, and extracting faces, and converting it into the pixels. Now here I am classifying them. Now here as you can see that they have been classified correctly, and I have stored all the names in all titles, which represents all the faces extracted from the screenshot. Now here after doing this, I am going to uh, mark their present in the spreadsheet. For that I have used Google Sheets, and to use this Google Sheet I have done some uh, I have done some installation, and use by using some credentials. I have opened it here. I have already made the spreadsheet of 7th semester. As you can see here, I am also displaying it over here, and here the column names and row names are also shown here. And on this particular date, I will going to mark the presence, mark the attendance of the people who has been recognized as P, and the people who were not recognized in the image as A. So let's run this cell, so that here as you can see, till now this updation has started in this. See, PP has been marked on the uh, corresponding to the column corresponding to the name of the student, and A is marking corresponding to the students whose name is no, whose name is not recognized, or I should say whose faces are not recognized in the screenshot. In this way, teacher can easily take the attendance. Just they have to take the screenshot of the meeting and just send it to the model, and then model can mark their present corresponding to the sheet, and it will be with the teacher. Thank you so much. This was all about my project, online attendance system.